This is Dr. Loretta Ciraldo, board-certified dermatologist and author of 6 Weeks to Sensational Skin. Stretch marks in teenagers are not all that uncommon. We especially see them in teenage girls, and they come out most commonly to begin with on the buttock area. Many times these are totally hereditary in nature, and honestly the teenage girl does need some psychological support if these stretch marks tend to be red, which oftentimes they do. Most of the time, really what's happening is that the person is noticing the discoloration more than the stretch marks themselves. So that either the stretch marks can look very red, or in a case that I saw just this morning over at the university, the person was an African-American woman and her stretch marks came out as much darker pigmented spots. Now, the very important things to remember are that if the stretch marks are, for instance, not in the buttocks, but maybe they're in this area, they may be coming from the fact that the person's doing a lot of weight training. This is not uncommonly seen when men start to go to the gym and do a little more weight training, they get the stretch marks. So if it's in an area, and a lot of teenage boys can get this too, if it's in an area where maybe we can attribute it to some physical activity, like stretch marks coming from working out at the gym, then there's kind of an easy way to manage that. If you cut back on the physical activity and exertions that are contributing to the stretch marks, you may in fact find that new stretch marks stop coming out and that some of the existing ones may resolve.